What's up guys, Matt here. I decided to start the video inside the storage building because there's so much traffic going by. But what I want to do with the bike today is do a little bit of cleaning and then work on some mounts for the bike and see how we do. So let's go. Okay, the first mount I want to try is this mount right here, and where I'm going to mount it is right here on the mirror, but this is too big, so I need to use a piece of this foam so it can tighten up a little bit better. Well, this solution's not going to work, it's just too loose. I guess let's go to plan B. Alright, I think I found a viable option. I moved it closer to the base of the mirror and it's thicker right here, and now it's pretty sturdy, so we're going to give that a try. I like this option. I had to twist it back this way, and then I got this arm here to get out past the front of the bike. But look at that, guys. I'm worried about the wind blowing that around. But we'll see how it works. I don't think this first mount situation is going to work. Look at that. Look how shaky that is. This is a sturdy piece, but I just don't think it's going to work. So on to the next. Okay, so this is the first mounting situation here on the windshield. I put this on last night and it moves around, but like to pull it off, it will not pull off. So let's put the GoPro on there. I think the wind's going to move that too much, but I could be wrong. We'll get some video of that and we'll post it on here and go from there. Well, I just tightened it up a little bit. That helped. So, alright, this is the second mount situation right here. Let's put the GoPro on it and see what it looks like. Well, if I can fit it in there. This one's a little bit. I think this is the way we're going to go. I looked at it mounted last night, And you could see the fender down here just a little bit, but most of it was like the road. So let's go check that out too. We'll see how it looks.